I must sincerely thank President Pradeep Biani, Secretary Neeraj, and all the people of that office bearers for directly corresponding with whatever the mails have sent to me, replying in mails, and also clearly giving instructions to Compass office to provide me whatever I wanted it. This is the one thing which is I must appreciate it, and Pradeep has taken time to spend and clear off whatever I wanted it. I wanted all the people to give a big thanks to the Pradeep on this. I also thank our president nominee, Mr. Pawan Jojodia, and all the people who was, contested for the thing, not disturbing me for the last 1 week. Nobody called me and left it on that one. And I also must tell you that all the past presidents also not disturbed me. Most of the past presidents have left me to take a decision on my own or my team. This is the one, these three. With this, I just mentioning it because when I mentioned last time, we have got certain amount of whatever called complaints or allegations saying that one, some of the members have not paid their dues and other things. That's the reason we said we will investigate everything and come back to you. First, we will start with the nomination of the committee members. See, we went through the, Mr. Dhanuka has given all the nomination forms to me and the president in his office. In spite of his personal problems, he came to the office and handed over the papers to us. And we went through it. Through the Compass office also confirmed. We have, in the case of the executive committee, the eligibility has to have three important criteria as far the candidates is concerned. All the candidates must have completed at least 2 years of the term in the Compass. That's first thing is. Second, they should have cleared their dues by 30th of July. And the one more criteria is, they have to be the members of the, if there is any member who represented the last year in the committee, you should have had at least 50% of the attendance. That's the three criteria. Yes. So the first criteria which we have seen it, all the members have completed their 2 years term as per we have checked up with our membership directory.
Sir, I am just interrupting. Can you please tell me what is your